Building technology is rapidly evolving with exciting breakthroughs like autonomous robots and advanced machinery.
Are you ready to explore the technologies shaping the future of the construction industry? Sarcos Robotics is turning solar module installation into a technological marvel.
These advanced robots automate the installation of modules with exceptional precision and speed, minimizing costs and time. They handle every step from mounting to quality inspection, ushering in a new era for solar energy with a perfect blend of performance and safety. Imagine a future in construction where AI robots take control of masonry, laying thousands of bricks per hour with absolute precision, reducing costs and enhancing safety. AI robots are revolutionizing the industry, creating flawless structures. Discover innovation in construction with the PariDuo Universal Formwork System. Designed for both walls and columns, PariDuo combines the lightweight properties of plastic formwork with optimal performance. Each formwork panel, measuring 2.70 x 0.90 meters, is easy to install and dismantle, offering flexibility and time savings. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 60 kN per meter, the system not only enhances construction quality but also reduces costs and labor compared to traditional methods. PariDuo is the ideal choice for modern, efficient construction projects. Learn about the Kobiax installation process and optimized concrete to create lightweight hollow slabs. First, Kobiax panels are installed to reduce structural mass, creating voids. Then, concrete is poured into the formwork, sealed around the edges, resulting in a sturdy and material-efficient profile. This method not only reduces volume and costs but also enhances insulation and soundproofing, while protecting the environment. Experience the Pascal Universal Skalung Raster (GE) system, featuring an intelligent formwork system for both walls and columns. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 60 kN per meter and an easy installation design, this system not only saves time but also reduces costs. It is the optimal choice for any construction project, delivering exceptional efficiency and perfect results. The process of lifting a spherical dome is a technical marvel, demonstrating finesse and precision. With diameters up to 30 meters, the dome segments are meticulously assembled and lifted using specialized equipment capable of supporting loads up to 50 tons. The result is a robust and impressive structure, creating a unique and creatively designed living space. If you like this video of workers repairing a roof, leave comment number 1. Discover innovation with the Shalunki TASSU formwork system in Zagirs. Designed for optimal performance with foundations and columns, this method offers superior flexibility and durability.
Easy to install and with high load-bearing capacity, this system not only saves time but also enhances construction quality.
TASSU is the ideal solution to make your construction project a complete success. Admire the HOEFLONC4, a powerful mini crane with a maximum lifting capacity of 4 tons and a 6-meter radius.
Its compact design and flexible control make it highly efficient in tight spaces.
With easy mobility and exceptional performance, the HOEFLONC4 is the perfect choice for construction projects that require precision and safety. Explore the future of construction with Hadrian X, an automated robot creating a specialized industrial network. Capable of laying 1,000 bricks per hour and completing a house in 5-7 days, Hadrian X combines speed and precision to perfection. Utilizing advanced laser and sensor technology, this robot optimizes processes while enhancing safety and minimizing errors. The concrete production process at the batching plant uses an automated system to accurately weigh raw materials. The mixers, with a capacity of 1 to 2 meters per batch, ensure consistent quality. The concrete is transported by mixer trucks with capacities ranging from 6 to 12 m, keeping the concrete fresh and meeting high-quality standards. The Cubs Casa K200 2211 San Vicen is a modern home quickly assembled from flexible modules, seamlessly integrating with its surroundings. The house features a spacious living area with an open kitchen, living room, and a glass-fronted facade overlooking the terrace, garden, and pool. The quiet area includes a luxurious master bedroom and 2 double bedrooms, along with a covered terrace, garage, and outdoor pool, offering a comfortable and contemporary living space. Siberia and Siberia for the Nemesika cabin exemplify the perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Crafted from durable Siberian pine, the cabin is meticulously built and assembled within 3 months. The home not only provides warmth during the cold season but also combines Siberian culture with the needs of German customers, creating a luxurious and unique living space. This is the Leher cassette roof in operation, a versatile roofing system ideal for construction and events. The lightweight aluminum panels, measuring 3 meters by 1 meter, are easy to assemble and disassemble, and can support loads of up to 1.5 kilonewtons per meter. The system integrates seamlessly with Leher scaffolding, ensuring efficiency and safety, providing excellent weather protection, minimizing downtime, and optimizing productivity. Ytong Falaz S2 is the ideal solution for beautiful and sustainable construction projects. With lightweight, insulating aerated concrete blocks, the system allows for quick and easy assembly to form walls. Saving time and costs, Ytong Falaz S2 not only delivers high performance but also ensures a warm and quiet space, turning every project into a perfect masterpiece. Learn about the warehouse building block lifestyle, a process for creating functional and stylish outdoor spaces. The steps include standard components, framing, wall installation, and assembly according to detailed instructions. The process is carried out with attention to quality and finishing, ensuring the product is both durable and attractive. The result is a versatile ring that completes outdoor living spaces with convenience and aesthetics. FRNKISCHE's Rigofill inspection offers advanced technology for stormwater management. The system is quickly installed within 1-2 weeks, with Rigofill blocks creating an efficient and networked storage system. The smart design allows water to easily percolate into the ground, reducing flooding and protecting the environment while ensuring high performance and durability. The 4 meters frameless geodesic dome is constructed by assembling precise panels without the need for a supporting frame. The installation process is quick, taking just a few days, resulting in a lightweight and durable self-supporting dome. This dome is perfect for shelters or event spaces, offering outstanding stability and modern aesthetics while optimizing space with a refined geometric design. Context bin wall system consists of 10-foot wide interlocking wall units made from lightweight and durable steel, designed for easy and quick on-site installation. Meticulously crafted, they create effective and cost-efficient retaining walls. The flexible design of bin walls allows them to adapt to soil movement without damage and has been recognized worldwide for its effectiveness and cost efficiency for over 60 years. An effective solution for outdoor work is the Ytong Multipore SAT insulation system. Multipore panels are attached to the building's surface, creating a lightweight and durable insulating layer that helps reduce heat loss and save energy. A protective layer is then applied on top to enhance durability and provide long-term protection. This system not only improves performance but also enhances comfort and the longevity of the process. In the UK, plastic pipes are precisely installed by KUKA robots. These robots can handle pipes with diameters of up to 2 meters and lengths of 12 meters, achieving cutting accuracy of up to 0.1 millimeter. With the ability to operate 24/7, KUKA robots produce up to 100 pipes per week, significantly improving efficiency and product quality.
Learn how to install the Geta elevator in just 20 minutes. With its smart design, you can have it up and running in half an hour. Flexible and quick, Geta is suitable for various applications from roofing to window frames, solar panels, and drywall. Convenience and efficiency are waiting for you.